Mathematics paper 2, Andhra Pradesh 2019, part B. Now I'm explaining part B. In this there are like 20 questions. Each question carries half mark. So total 10 marks. Now see the first question like here. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC and DE is parallel to AC. These two lines are parallel. So this angle and this angle will be equal, like corresponding. Okay, so this is 75. So this will be 75 because angle DEB equals angle ACB. Both will be 75. But they are asking BDE. They are asking this angle BDE. So in triangle BDE, if we'll take three angles, one is BDE, angle BDE plus 75 plus 60 equals 180. So BDE plus 75 plus 60 is 135. 135 degrees equals 180. So angle BDE is 180 minus 135. So angle BDE is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So the correct option is A. Correct option is A. Next 15th question. Cos 60 plus sin 30. See, cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2. You'll get from the table. So LCM is 2, 1 plus 1, which is 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. So correct option is here B. Next, x coordinates of the point of two ogives represent. So here less than ogive and more than ogive. Less than ogive and more than ogive, where they are intersecting, their x value will give you the median. Their x value will give you the median. So here the correct option is B. Abscissa will give the median. Fine. Next, centroid of the triangle whose vertices are, these three are the vertices given. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So here if we'll simplify, so here see x1 minus a plus 0 plus minus a 0 plus a by 3, and here 0 b 0, 0 plus b plus 0 by 3. So here minus a plus a cancel. So you are left with here 0. Here you will be left with like 0 by 3, and here 0 plus b plus 0 is b by 3. 0 by 3 is 0, so 0 comma b by 3 is the correct option. So correct option is here C. Next, area of a triangle. Next question is area of a triangle. See here, area of a triangle, this is the correct formula, and here if it is a scalene triangle, this is also, sorry, here S is not there, Heron's formula, this one. Under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. If the triangle is like isosceles, like if three sides are like different, then we'll use Heron's formula. So area of a triangle, this is the correct formula, and C is also correct formula. So we should be very careful. So correct option is not, you should not write A, you should not write C, you should write both. Like correct option is D, both A and C. A option and C option. Next one. The theorem applied to divide the line segment in the given ratio. See, Pythagoras theorem is based on like right angle triangle. Okay, Euclid's theorem completely different. Brahmagupta is different. So here it is like Thales theorem. So the correct option is Thales theorem. See, for line segment, for division of line segment, for example, you want to divide the line into like, for example, 7.2 centimeters. And you want to divide this line in the ratio like 5:8. So you'll draw a ray and you'll divide into 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And the last one you will join, and at 5 you will draw parallel. So see here, it will be like, if a line is parallel to one side, it will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. Here 5 parts, 8 parts. So here also 5 parts, 8 parts. So that is Thales theorem. So the correct option is here B. Next question. The number of tangents drawn at the end point of the diameter of a circle. See, at the end points of the diameter, suppose if we'll take this as a diameter, A, B. For diameter endpoint, at a point you can draw one tangent here, you can draw one tangent. So at endpoints of the diameter you can draw two tangents. So the correct option is B. Next, this question. Sec A plus tan A. See this directly I'll tell, you can use this logic. Sec A plus tan A into sec A minus tan A is 1. So whenever they'll ask sec A plus tan A, 1 by 5, and sec A minus tan A, will answer will be like 5. Correct option is A. I'll simplify. See, identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So you can write sec A plus tan A into sec A minus tan A is 1. Now see this both, if I'll multiply, I am getting 1. So I can call this sec A plus tan A and sec A minus tan A are reciprocal. So sec A plus tan A is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 times sec A minus tan A. So sec A minus tan A equals 1 times 5, which is 5. So the correct option is A. In the same way, for this, for example, another question, see, cosec theta plus cot theta equals suppose 7. Cosec theta minus cot theta will be like 1 by 7, because here also the identity is like cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So that also you can write in the form of A plus B into A minus. The length of a shadow of a pole is equal to the length of the pole. See, suppose length of the pole is x and its shadow is also x. Then they are asking to find the angle of elevation of the sun. They are asking theta. So here theta, if I take this, then AB will become opposite and BC is adjacent. So tan theta. Tan theta is AB by BC, which is x by x. So tan theta is 1. So when you'll get 1, like if it is, the angle is like 45 degrees, tan 45. So on comparing, you'll get the value of theta is like 45 degrees. So the correct option is C. Next one. Angle in a semicircle. So see, this is from 9th class, like it's a property. Angle in a semicircle, the angle will be always here 90. Angle in a semicircle is 90. So the correct option is B. Next one. The probability of sum of two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 13 when two dice are tossed at the same time. Now see here, two dice are rolled or two dice are tossed at the same time. So now here, when two dice are rolled, like see, total outcomes will be like 36. Total outcomes will be 36. But the maximum number, see, you may get like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, like that all. The highest value will be 6, 6. Highest will be 6, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So there is no chance of getting 13 when you add on the numbers which will appear on the top of the die. So highest is only 12. So you will not get 13. So 0 by, here the probability of an event is like 0 by 36, which is 0 because it is an impossible event. So the correct option is C. Next, probability of an event. Then what is the probability of a not event they are asking? This is not event. So formula is probability of an event plus probability of an not event. Not they'll write or they'll write bar is always 1. So probability of an event is 0.05. So what is the probability of an not event, which is 1? So probability of a not event is 1 minus 0.05. 1 minus 0.05 is 0.95. 0.95. So the correct option is B. Next one. The mode of the data. The mode of the data is nothing but the observations which occurs more frequently. Here, see, if you want, you can write in detail like 5. How many times you have 5? See, only one time. Next 6. Here 1, 2, 3. 6 you have 3 times. Then 9 you have only one time. 10 2 times. Next 11 one time. 4 2 times. So highest is 6. The observations which occurs more frequently, that is nothing but here 6. So the mode is 6. Correct option is C. Reciprocal of tan theta. See, reciprocal of tan is cot because tan theta is opposite by adjacent, whereas cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So the reciprocal of tan is cot. Correct option is B. Now here secant square theta minus 1, see, I'll write the identities which I'll use to solve this one. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. And next, like cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So secant square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. See, secant square theta minus 1 will be tan square. And cosec square theta minus 1 will become like cot square. So just now here there was one MCQ, that reciprocal of tan. So tan and cot, reciprocal of tan is cot. Tan and cot are reciprocals. So if we'll multiply, we'll get the answer 1. So the correct option is here B. The center of a circle is 2, 1. See here, the center of a circle is 2, 1. One end of the diameter is 3, minus 4. We need to find the other end. So I'll consider it as A, B. Now here I'll consider this like x1, y1, x2, y2. Here center is the midpoint of AB. O is the midpoint of AB. O is the midpoint of AB. So O equals, what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So center is 2, 1. Okay, center is 2, 1, and x1 is 3 plus a by 2, y1 is minus 4, y2 is b by 2. Now equate abscissa with abscissa and ordinate with ordinate. So you'll get like 2 equals 3 plus a by 2. Cross multiply 2 times 2, 4 equals 3 plus a. 4 minus 3 equals a. So 1 equals a. So the value of a is 1. In the same way, next second one, minus 4 plus b by 2 is 1. Minus 4 plus b is 2 times 1 is 2. B is 2 plus 4. B is 6. So the value of B is 6. So answer is like 1, 6. The correct option is here A. Next question. The letter that represents xi minus a by h. Now see, di is xi minus a. ui is xi minus a by h. Now the correct option is C. Next one. Area of a triangle AOB. OA. Area of triangle OAB. So here see, area of a triangle formula half base into height. You can take this 3 units as base, and here value is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units as height. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 into 2, 6 square units. So the correct option is B. Next one. Which of the following be the probability of an event? See, probability, it cannot be negative because probability will be from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. So it cannot be negative. So this is not the option. 2.4. It is more than 1. This is also not possible. 115%, if you write 115 by 100, it is also more than 1. This is also not possible. 0.7, which is between 0 and 1. So the correct option is C. Next here. Sin 90 minus A. See, sin 90 minus A is 1 by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. These are complementary ratios. For 2021, 2022, we don't have in the syllabus. So now see, cos A is 1 by 2. So cos A equals 1 by 2 you'll get for cos in like cos 60 degrees. So A equals 60 degrees. So the correct option is C. So this is a paper March 2019, like from Andhra Pradesh. Paper 2, mathematics paper 2.